the polynomials and factorization. It is the second chapter of 9th class. First one, algebraic expressions. The definition of the algebraic expressions: the combination of the variables, constants, and the numerical expressions the combination of the variables, constants, numerical expressions involved by the operation of plus, minus, into, divided by is called an algebraic expressions. So what are the algebraic expressions? Means the combination of the variables, constants, numerical expressions by the operation of plus, minus, into, divided by. So is called an algebraic expressions. So for example is 5x square plus 6x minus 9. So the combination of the variables. So here x square and x are variable numbers and constant numbers. 9 is the constant number and numerical expressions. Here x square numerical expression is 5 and x numerical expression is 6. So the combination of the variables, constants, numerical expressions by the operations of plus, minus, into, divided by is called an algebraic expressions. So now next we will discuss the variables. Variables means it is sometime that can be changed. Variables means sometime that can be changed. So A to Z numbers are called variables or x, y, z. Variables means sometime that can be changed is called variables, and A to Z numbers are x, y, z and so on etc. is called variables. So next is the algebraic and numerical expressions. So numerical expressions is 6x cube plus 5x square minus 9. So here x cube numerical number is 6 and x square numerical number is 5. So these numbers are called numerical expressions. So now discuss the polynomials. So polynomials means here an algebraic expression contains so the degree of the exponents. So the degree of the exponents is called polynomials or non-negative integers. So the power of non-negative integers is called polynomials. Here an algebraic expression the degree of variables an algebraic expression the degree of variables are non-negative integers is called polynomials. An algebraic expression, the degree of variables are non-negative integers is called polynomial. So non-negative integers means here whole numbers are, so that means 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. Non-negative integers means their positive values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. Is called polynomials. So for example is polynomials example is 5x square plus 6x minus 8. An algebraic expression. So it is an algebraic expression. So the degree of variables are non-negative integers. So the degree is here exponents. Here degree is 2. So it is the power is positive number. So it is an polynomial. It is an polynomial. Next, which of the following expressions are polynomials? Which of the following expressions are polynomials? So first equation is 5x cube plus 6x square plus 1 by x. And second equation is 2y square plus root 3y plus 8. And the third one is the 2x square plus 3 root x plus 5. Which of the following expressions are polynomial? So first equation is 5x cube plus 6x square plus 1 by x. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So polynomial definition is the polynomial is contained. It is the non-negative integers. Here x cube is the degree is 3. So it is a positive value. It is x square. It is a degree. It is a positive value. And here 1 by x. So 1 by x can be written as 1 by x is can be written as x power minus 1. 1 by x is written as x power minus 1. So it is not a non-negative integer. It is not a non-negative integer. So the total equation, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. And the second equation is 2y square plus root 3y plus 8 equal to 0. So it is a polynomial. Why is that? Because of 2y square. Here y square, here degree is 2. It is a positive value plus root 3 into y. Plus. So because the following expressions are polynomials, then 5x cube plus 6x square plus 1 by x. Here x power or exponent value is a 3. So it is a positive value. And x square, it is a positive value. Here 1 by x. So 1 by x is can be written as x power minus 1. So it is a negative number. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. And the second equation is a 2y square plus root 3y plus 8. So 2 into y square, 2y square is the positive value. And root 3 into y. Root into y. So here y power, here any number not having here 1. So here degree is 1. Degree is 1. And our constant number is 8. So it is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. And the third one is 2x square plus 3 into root x plus 5. 2x square plus 3 into root x plus 5. So here x square, it is a positive value, and 3 into root x. So root x is converted to the x power of 1 by 2. So polynomial definition is here all non-negative integers. So all positive values. So here fraction is become to the fraction. So it is not a polynomial. Not yet polynomial. 2 into x square plus 3 into root x plus 5. So 3 into, so root x value is converted to the x power 1 by 2. So it is the fraction is becomes to the polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. Then coefficients. Coefficients. So for example is 3x cube plus 4x square y cube plus 6x square minus 9x plus 5. Coefficient is the equation is 3x cube plus 4x square y cube plus 6x square minus 9x plus 5. So coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube equal to the x cube remaining part is or x cube numerical term or numerical expression. So x cube numerical expression or numerical part or x cube remaining part. So remaining part is 3. So coefficient of x cube is 3. Coefficient of x cube is 3. Next coefficient of y cube. Coefficient of y cube. So coefficient of y cube. So y cube remaining part is y cube remaining part. So y cube remaining part is 4x square. 4x square. So y cube remaining part is 4x square. Here. Next again, here coefficient of x. Coefficient of x term. So coefficient of x. So x remaining part is minus 9. So minus 9. And constant number is 5. So constant number is term is 5. So in the monomial 4x square y cube, in the monomial 4x square y cube. So the coefficient of x square is 4y cube in the monomial. The only single term is called monomial. So the coefficient of 4x square y cube. So the coefficient of x square, equal to 4y cube. 4y cube. It is the monomial term and the single one. Next, degree of the polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. The highest exponent value of an algebraic expression. The highest exponent value of the algebraic expression is called degree of the polynomial. So for example, 5x cube plus 3x power 5 plus 4x square plus 6x plus 9. So the degree of the polynomial is here highest value. So highest exponent value. So highest exponent value here degree is here exponent value is 3. Here exponent value is 5. Here exponent value is 2. Here exponent value is 1. So the highest exponent value is 5. So the degree of the polynomial is highest exponent value is 5. And monomial 4x cube y square. So the degree of the monomial and singular one. The degree of the monomial and singular one is called the sum of the exponents value. The highest sum of the exponents value. So the sum of the exponents value is here exponents are 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So the degree of the monomial is 4x cube y square is equal to here degree is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So the degree is next again another example is 4x cube y square plus 5 x power 4 y cube plus 6 x square y square plus 9. So the degree of the polynomial is The degree of the polynomial is. So here values are, here degree is 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2. So that means here the degree is 5. Next, here degree is 4 plus 3. So that means 5. 7. Sorry, 7. Right. Here degree value is here 2 plus 2, 4. 4. Here constant number of the degree is 0. The constant number, the degree is 0. So what is the degree of the polynomial of this equation? What is the degree of the polynomial of this equation? So here highest value 5, here 7, 4, here 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 7. So the answer is 7. The highest exponential value is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. The highest exponential value is 4 plus 3 is 7. So the degree of the polynomial is 7.